telling me the ocean isn't blue because of the sky? Bro, my entire childhood was a lie.
Indeed, Meg. It is not some adorable sky reflection. The water itself absorbs red light more than blue, so the blue wavelengths scatter back at your dull human eyes like a natural filter working non-stop.
So the water literally picks which color we see.
Exactly. Pure water molecules absorb longer wavelengths first, like red and orange. So the shorter blue wavelengths bounce around more. That is why even deep water looks blue from so many angles.
That is weird, but kinda cool.
Yes, though coolness rarely applies to you. Meg, still, the science is solid. Even a glass of water shows a tiny bit of this effect, if the path of light is long enough for absorption to matter.
But what about super bright blue beaches?
Ah, those. In shallow spots, the color can shift because sand, algae, and tiny particles scatter different wavelengths. It is like nature adjusting the settings on a giant underwater mood lamp.
So it varies how?
When sunlight enters water, it gets split and absorbed at different rates. Water absorbs red within the first 20 meters, but blue can travel hundreds of meters. Places with high plankton or sand scatter green or turquoise. Scientists like Jacques Cousteau measured clarity changes by tracking how far blue wavelengths traveled. It is all about the depth, the particles, and how the sun hits at different angles during the day.
So how do people actually see the real color?
Look straight down at deep water around midday. That is when sunlight is strongest and less scattered. The blue is most accurate then because fewer particles and shadows mess with your eyes.
Great! Now I need ocean homework just to look at water, right?
Meg, the ocean is blue because it reveals the part of light it refuses to swallow. If you understand what it rejects you, finally understand what it truly is. Same lesson works for people too.